Welcome back to Physics Mathematics Hub. Today we're diving into a classic competitive exam question that trips up many students. Our question is, derive the dimensional formula for the coefficient of viscosity, eta. To find the dimensions of eta, we will use Newton's law of viscosity, which describes the internal friction of a fluid. According to Newton, the viscous force, F, acting between layers of a fluid is given by the formula. In this equation, F is the viscous force, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, A is the area of the layers, dV over dx is the velocity gradient. Since we want to find the dimensions of eta, let's rearrange the formula for eta. This can be written more simply as Now, let's plug in the fundamental dimensions for each quantity. The dimensions of force, F, are mLt to the power of -2. The dimensions of distance, dx, are L. The dimensions of area, A, are L squared. The dimensions of velocity, dV, are Lt to the power of -1. By substituting these into our rearranged formula, we get eta equals mLt to the power of -2, L over L squared, Lt to the power of -1. Simplifying the numerator and denominator, eta equals mL squared t to the power of -2 over L cubed t to the power of -1. Subtracting the exponents of L, 2 minus 3 equals -1, and t minus 2 minus -1 equals -1, we arrive at our final result. Eta equals mL to the power of -1, t to the power of -1. And that brings us to the end of our derivation for the coefficient of viscosity. I hope the step-by-step breakdown of those exponents made the process easy to follow. But your journey into the world of dimensions doesn't end here. In our next video, we are going to explore one of the most important constants in the universe, Planck's constant. We will derive its dimensional formula and uncover a surprising secret. Did you know it shares the exact same dimensions as angular momentum? You won't want to miss that explanation. If you found this session helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub. Your support allows me to keep creating educational content for you. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.